Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. We're going to talk about 3 amazing free AI tools that can supercharge your productivity and make your life a whole lot easier. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to get more done in less time, these tools are going to be a game changer. So, make sure you stick around until the end, because you won't want to miss any of these incredible AI-powered solutions. Alright, let's jump right into it with our first tool, and that's Piggy AI. Piggy AI is an incredibly interactive and easy-to-use app. It allows its users to not only explore a wide range of content, but also to create and share it. This AI tool runs better on mobile devices, but in this example, we will use the desktop version. You can easily create quizzes, social media stories, or summarize articles. In this example, we will try to summarize an article from Google's blog and convert it into a shareable image or video. To start, click the Summarize button and enter the article or article URL. After a few seconds, you will see the result. Now, let's talk about a tool that's perfect for meetings, interviews, or any situation where you need to transcribe spoken words accurately. It's called Otter AI. This AI-powered transcription service is a real lifesaver. For example, I have a postcast of client, and Otter AI transcribed it almost instantly. It's incredibly accurate, and the best part is that you can search through your transcriptions to find specific information quickly. Whether you're a journalist, a student, or a professional, Otter AI can save you tons of time. Last but not least, we have Trello. Trello is an incredible project management tool that uses AI to help you stay organized and on top of your tasks. Whether you're managing a team or just keeping track of your personal to-do list, Trello can help streamline the process. Here's a Trello board I created for a hypothetical project. You can create lists, add cards, and move tasks around effortlessly. But what makes it even more powerful is its AI-driven features like smart suggestions. Trello suggests due dates and labels based on your past activity, helping you manage your tasks more efficiently. These 3 amazing free AI tools can truly boost your productivity and make your life easier. Whether you're looking to improve your writing, manage projects more effectively, transcribe spoken words, or automate tasks, there's an AI tool out there for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tips and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments which of these AI tools you're most excited to try, or if you have any other favorite AI tools we should check out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.